guys, what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my basic vanilla sponge cake recipe which you can cover with the icing that you like. Since this cake is very light, I would suggest you to use whipped cream. And now let's get started with making the cake. So for this you require half a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of oil and milk. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.